Hi, this is Adam from ProCAD. So in this video I'm going to show off the integration between Vault and Fusion Team and Fusion 360. So with Vault you have your files here, and these are Inventor parts. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to upload, using this upload tool here, upload the cloud drive. I'm going to upload this part here, case outer, to the cloud, and then we're going to swap over to Fusion Team and show off a bit of Fusion Team and then modify the part in Fusion 360. So if I just click upload here, now I've already mapped a folder within Fusion 360 in order for these files to be uploaded to. This mapping is contained in the settings of Vault, so I'll just click upload here now. Okay, so I'm in Fusion Team now. This is the first page we see. These are just some folders we have set up, and over here you can see this activity bar, and the very top here you can see I've uploaded the case outer, which I did from Vault there a few minutes ago. So I'll just go into this folder here, and into this folder, Vault uploads, we can see this case outer part. We have some basic functionality here. We can download the file, edit, we can upload a new version of the file, we can move, copy, delete, share, etc. I'm going to hand you over to Dara now, and he's going to show off Fusion 360 and make a quick modification to this part.
Hi, it's Dara here from ProCAD, and today I'm just going to be showing a little bit of Fusion 360. So Fusion 360 is a cloud-based CAD package that involves a number of different workspaces. So you can see here we've got a model workspace, we've got sheet metal, animation, rendering, simulation, and CAM. So today I'm just going to be showing the model workspace. So as Fusion is a cloud-based platform, we can link this to our Fusion team, which Adam has just shown. As you can see, we have our case outer Inventor part here, which I'm now going to open in Fusion. Okay, so once this opens up, I can begin to make changes to this part. So I'm just going to add in just a simple hole here at the bottom of the part. So I'm going to create a sketch, select my plane, draw a circle, and then just extrude that circle through, and it will cut through the material, and I can click OK to that. I can then save this part. I'm going to call it case outer Fusion and save. This will then save the new Fusion design into the Fusion 360 folder, which will then link back to our Fusion team.
Okay, so I'm back in my Inventor program here, and I want to have a look at the modification made by Dara. So I can actually go to Vault here and open the full assembly padlock here and just hit open. So I'm just going to check out the assembly. Yes. So this is the padlock here, and this outer case is actually what Dara has gone and made a modification on. So if I right click here and select component and replace, I can then actually go straight here to my Fusion 360 folder, which is linked, which is within the cloud, but I can access it from here. I can open the Fusion file that Dara has made a modification on, and I can visualize it right here in, so I'm just going to accept the caveats there. So we can see now the hole that Dara has made is actually visible here in the bottom of the outer shell. So this part is contained right in the cloud, and we can visualize it here in our assembly within Inventor. And I'm going to switch back now to Fusion Team to just show off some extra functionality there. Okay, so I'm back here in Fusion Team. So this here is the Fusion part which Dara has uploaded, and you saw how I was able to show it off within Inventor on the assembly earlier. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show off some of the options we have here. So basically this is the file. We have version control within Fusion. Had there been more markups made to this, you would see additional versions here. Had we uploaded a full assembly, you have the used in option here, and you can see full assemblies and parts and whatnot, and then the drawings tab for your IDWs and DWFs and stuff. So I'm just going to click here on the file again, and we're going to view it within the web browser. The options I have here are your basic orbit, pan, camera, zoom, but then we have markups, so I can make markups and comments on this, and Dara would see them, and then he'd be able to make further changes to the part based on my request. So I'm just going to go back again to the folder where we have the file. Additionally, we have these options here, so just to convert this into an Inventor part yet again, I'm going to click on this, and this will convert that Fusion part right in the cloud. I'll also get an email notification to let me know that that part is ready. Alright, so I'm back in Vault. I just want to replace the case outer part with the part that we've modified in Fusion. So all I need to do really here is to check out the part. I'll jump over to Inventor here, and I'll just open the assembly again. While I'm doing that, I'll just show, actually before I do that, I need to go back to Vault here. I need to just right click and select go to working folder. So I've checked out the case outer, which I need to get as well, and click OK. So the case outer is here, and I've also previously downloaded our case outer Fusion part, which has the additional hole which we made in Fusion 360. So I'm just going to replace one with the other. And then I'm going to go back to Inventor, and I'm going to open the file. I'm going to open the full assembly altogether, since I still have parts of the assembly checked out. So you can see now I've replaced the case outer over here with the one that we modified in Fusion, and it has the hole in the bottom. And we'll just go back to Vault here and just check everything back in, and we're done.